completed the SGIA Color Boot Camp here at Mamaki in Dallas, Texas. What I've basically gotten from this class is, as a sheet manufacturer, we're always dealing in just the product specifications, but this helped me kind of move from being subjective in that process when print issues happen to being much more qualitative, and also allows me to be much more sensitive to what printers and operators have to go through and setups and different things. So it's been a very eye-opening experience.
I learned a lot this week, but probably what is going to help me most back when I get home is understanding why what I see on the screen and the colors I see on the screen is not the colors that print out on the medium. And it's going to save us a lot of time, effort, money, and material.